these guys, and I'm being very careful with it because I don't want to distort these. They're hard to find.
Oh, the sleeves.
Yep. You know that.
Yeah.
And where do you get yours?
I use glue.
That was crazy. Right, yeah. So you see this little ludicrously complex little piece of metal?
Wow.
That's what holds on the words,
Right.
like Galaxie, Fairlane, etc.
Right.
Those are the retaining clips. This was the standard back in the day. And you can see they just press into place. It's an engineer designed this. And a lot of these were furnished to Ford by a company in Oak Park called Gagne Fiber Products. And Gagne Fiber.
God, how you know all this stuff is amazing.
I don't know how he knows it.
Well, I only know Ford and this. There you go. Because my dad was the general manager for Gagne Fiber in the 60s. Well, it's a spring clip.
Body guys will sit there and they will destroy this lip.
Yeah.
And then when you go to push it in,
Right. It
and
falls
that's
in,
when
yeah.
you dig out the glue.
Yeah.
Right.
No glue.
So it is
Because
like
I have
it's
so
like an
many
ankle
bolts and
that's made out
insignias,
of
and I
metal.
pull
It
them
sits
out.
in there
and
and
I take
rattles
them
for the
with
rest of its life.
So these are Gagne Fiber trim clips. This is the door panel off of that Kaiser. Fraser Manhattan. Sorry, I keep calling it Kaiser. So you see how they're little spring clips. They go into the hole and they hold this panel on. So this is how door panels and trim pieces were held on back in the day. Gagne Fiber started about 48, so this is a pretty early Gagne Fiber trim clip.
And they just provided parts to all these different car manufacturers.
Yes. And they were made on things called force slides at high rates of speed. They would make, I forget what like 700 a minute. But look how many are on just one door panel.
Yeah, you need it to.
So you need tens of millions of them.
You have to take.
Look, that has to come. There you go. Now you can take the screw out.
Now you're taking it
Do we need this out?
Uh,
This out?
you
Probably.
could,
Yeah,
because we
yeah.
should clean it and lubricate before we reassemble.
Yeah. So give me the little
Ooh, lubrication.
Yeah.
It's almost always the
piece. And then
answer.
we'll do an ashtray.
Got to clean and lube, right, Chuck?
Right.
Oh my goodness.
Don't forget to breathe.
Crowd. What a crowd.
Every video I shoot has some dirty innuendo.
Has
It's
some-
great.
If I'm here, yeah.
Oh no,
And
we're,
John's a big too.
The marker display?
we're good at filthy around here.
Oh.
Damn it, Andre!
No damage. No damage.
Or I'll put it in here.
You break it, you bought it.
Just all in one place.
Get some screws for the.
You know, you need to be okay with it. What you doing?
I was looking what's coming
Yeah, I'll
next.
put all the extra stuff in one time. Including the ashtray.
Gotta get these babies.
What are we talking?
Oh, it's welded nice.
What, is three panel?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Sooner, immediately, if not sooner.
Well, yeah, this will get painted these corners up.
Yeah, that's all one piece.
Then we could paint this first so we see how to paint.
Great picture right here.
We have those
It doesn't mean look at the camera, God.
Who's got the players? Okay, nab it.
Oh, these little rubber things, let's take these off, right?
got it. Yeah, take that off.
Going around.
So this little guy right here,
That little guy? You don't worry about that
this
little guy.
right here, these are real common. These are used to hold, this panel is this HVAC panel is held in place, but you'll see the same sort of thing holding gauges in place as well. There you go.
It's moving.
Now, what is this thing?
How about some light?
There you go.
What you need,
Filming
what
light.
you need, sir, is a 3/8 socket.
Is that looks
It's 3/8.
Yeah, I think we
Pretty
brought
sure
one.
it's 3/8. It might be.
I took it back, actually.
That's 3/8. Now, when they're loose like this, what you can do is just use your finger and spin it.
Yeah, I was trying to get it loose enough.
It's
So-
loose enough. Okay.
Chuck, so you finger it when it's loose?
What?
You finger it when it's loose.
That's how you get it loose.
Oh, God. And it
These
goes
are-
on like this.
Those are bad dad jokes.
Yes.
Not much to it. Think about it.
You guys got this. I'm going to go see the sanding and the grinding and the Tom texting.
Passing on pictures to people who
Ooh.
need to see what we're doing.
Yeah, they need to all be here. Be here! Whee!